Ho, it's Virginia from Humid with a Chance of Fishballs, and today we are going to the affordable art fair, which is why this is my outfit of the day, all the way down to, can we please pan onto my brilliant pink slippers? These are my balcony slippers, but because it's really wet right now, so I'm wearing them. Anyways, it's typhoon season between like May to September in Hong Kong, and so it's August right now, which is why it's pouring torrential rain. We're gonna go eat lunch first. Let's go. And we're here. This is Kam Fung, and they're famous for chicken pie. Let's go. We got a kawaii. How lucky are we? We got a booth. Okay, they are famous for their pineapple bun, but actually I think their chicken pie is more famous. And then we're gonna do a lunch set. This is also like the place that we went to with the scrambled eggs. We did a set, so the set comes with noodles and soup. I got preserved cabbage with meat, and then I got it with spaghetti. And then this is the bolo bao. It comes with an omelet or eggs. We're really here because they're pretty famous for the pineapple bun, but I've had it before. But this is the thing that locals love to eat here. The chicken pie is more famous within the local circle than it is in the Western circle. In the Western circle, I think they're just famous for their pineapple bun. Actually, I'm just gonna go in and bite it. It is creamy. And the tart is quite nice. It's like salty and sweet all together. And it's warm. This is why I think people like it. It's quite tasty. The flavors go really well together. Like the pastry is a little bit sweet, and then the chicken is a little bit salty. And there's a little bit of a sauce in there, like a gravy sauce. I'll see you later. We are human beings that thrive on routine. So what's after lunch? Coffee! So I actually found and discovered this really cool coffee shop that's hidden in the wet market. So let me go show you. And it's also a social enterprise. We're here. It's pouring rain. Let's go in now. Ta-da! Okay, we've snuck in this really pretty cafe. So 330. Cafe 330 is the first 330 brand of social enterprises of new life promoting concept of a holistic health. It's really nice, and it's actually hidden in the Wan Chai wet market. All right, after this coffee, before we go to the affordable art fair, I don't know exactly how affordable it is, and I hope it's more affordable than Art Basel. My penny budget of 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, like maybe 150 USD. I wouldn't mind buying like a nice painting to put in front of the sideboard that I have at my house. Should I get another plant? But I can't even raise a freaking mint tree, so don't have any green thumbs. Up and up we go. I'm gonna show you a really cool place. It's free. We're just gonna go here for the view, take a couple of photos, and then go. Basically, it's a circle. I actually, embarrassing enough, don't remember which side. We're just gonna find it. I swear, it has really nice views. So yes, I could have Googled this beforehand, but we're just kind of winging it because I have no clients with me anyways. You make your way up to the 17th floor to where the grand buffet is. This is where it's gonna lead you to the observation lift. Let's go. Ta-da! Look! Isn't this amazing, the view? 180. As much as my pink slippers have helped me through the rain, we are now going to put on some normal footwear. Ta-da! Our very aesthetically pleasing and artsy vlog in order for us to go to IKEA, the warehouse, to pick up something from IKEA. So we have to go all the way to Sai Wan Hall. So I might have gotten slightly hungry, so we're here for a snack. And there's like a really old school 60-year-old place right here, and they have some snacks there. So let's go see. Ta-da! They're known wings. Let's sit here. They're famous for this. 懷舊油翅, is that what it's called? And then also the 傳統葱油餅. Let's give it a try. I've just realized that they're known for tofu. So I'm gonna order tofu. I love tofu pudding, and this is salty. I've only had salty tofu pudding once in my life in Beijing. All right, so this is the 油翅, which personally I've never heard of before. It's deep fried inside. He said that there was radish, like lobasi, and something else I forgot. Anyways, let's just bite into it and see. Wow. What a pleasant surprise. It's like super crispy and like kind of like a hard dough on the outside. And inside there's a lot of like thinly chopped radishes. And the radishes are pretty well seasoned. And like there's a little bit of black pepper as well. I like how they stuffed it with so much radish. It's like a lobako. So that one's actually quite nice and comforting. Okay, I'm gonna try this tofu pudding. It's salty. On top, it's hamai. No, it's not hamai. It's hape. It's called hape. So I have that and also some radish here as well. It's like a steamed egg dish that we would eat for dinner. That's interesting. So I'm still trying to get used to it being salty, but the tofu is so silky soft. It's so good. I think it's like just as good as the one in Samshaipo. Super silky smooth. And then lastly, I'm going to try the chongyao. Would you call this the Chinese pizza? Fluffy dough. I'm sure this would like fill you up real quick. I think I prefer the tofu pudding over the scallion, but then again, I like tofu over bread. Ooh. Target detected. Currently in sketchy building trying to find IKEA. A very normal Hong Kong occurrence. I see an IKEA door. See? Look, it's the pickup and bargain corner. Ooh. Okay, I did not know that this existed in Hong Kong. There's a bargain corner and there's a pickup area in Sai Wan Ho. Currently at a computer store to get some speakers for my friend who's stuck in quarantine because he got COVID. So quick pit stop. So many people have asked me to eat Indian in Hong Kong, so we're going to this place. All right, we're at this place called Clay Pot Indian. Always try and go to like a wet market restaurant. They're just so fun. Like those guys are so drunk over there. And this one seems like a little bit more chill. Here's the food. Okay, we're gonna begin. Look at the cheese naan. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Okay, it's crazy, but this cheese naan, we were skeptical at first, but it's so good. Like the cheese is just perfectly salty, and then the bread is so soft. And then we're gonna try the tikka masala. Super tender chicken. And there's a little bit of a tartness from the tomato sauce, and then there is definitely like creaminess. And then the chicken's super tender and it's not dry at all. It's a pretty generous portion. There's like 8-9 pieces. I think they asked us what level of heat. We said medium, but it's like not really that spicy. The chicken tandoori. We're going in. Super juicy. This is such a great find. All right, we're gonna get eating and then I'll take you along if we do go for a dessert. So we got a fruit with grass jelly because it's really hot in Hong Kong. So during the summertime, we eat grass jelly to cool down our qi. And then we also got a mango like ice. So that's gonna be really fun. Now in Hong Kong, one thing that I really like is after dinner, we usually go to one of these like dessert places and then we get dessert. So it's like 2 separate events. Okay, I'm gonna try my grass jelly first. So sometimes they're really herbally. I It's like thicker in texture for this one, but it's not too herbally. And it's refreshing and light, so it's perfect after a big meal. Wow, the ice is made with cream, man. Ooh, it's very creamy. I prefer my grass jelly because this one's quite creamy, and I like things on the lighter side, but still yummy. All right, we're gonna get eating, and then after we're gonna do a movie with snacks. Do you know what time it is? It's snack time and movie time. Nobody asked me, but let me show you the snacks that I have or that I like. Sunflower seeds. I am more of a savory than sweet girl, so I like to snack on sunflower seeds. Hot and spicy kalbi. Usually I like a salt and vinegar, but I was feeling this today. Caramel popcorn. I usually like to make my own popcorn and eat more salty than sweet, but I finished all the salty, so now we just have sweet. Seaweed. An apple. I have a thing for crunchy things, so my apples have to be crunchy. Peppermint tea. I can't drink green tea at night or else I won't be able to sleep, so peppermint tea it is. Oh no! There's like no more batteries, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed, and hey, don't forget, what's the weather like in Hong Kong? Well, it's humid with a chance of fishballs. Till next time, Jagin!